Today I will be showing you how to make your very own kill for cash in Roblox Studio with only a few quick steps. Let's begin. So in starter pack I have something to kill the other player with, so it's for the test. And then in server script service we will have a script. I'm just going to rename my script to leader stats. Then open it up, and then it's game.players.player added :connect function player local leader stats equals instance.nuke bracket speech marks folder leader stats.name equals speech marks leader stats leader stats.parent equals player. Go down like 2 lines, I'm pretty sure. Local cache equals instance.new bracket speech marks number value cache dot name equals bracket no brackets speech marks cache, and then cache dot value equals 0 cache dot parent equals leader stats. Go down 2 and then player dot character add :connect function character dot humanoid dot died :connect function died local creator equals create character dot humanoid find for chat create brackets speech marks creator local leader stats equals creator dot value find for child bracket speech smart bracket speech marks leader stats. If creator wavy thing equals nil and creator dot value wavy thing equals nil, then leader stats dot cache dot value equals leader stats dot cache dot value plus 80. The 80 is for how much points you get or cash you get if you kill. You could change the leader stats to points or anything like that, but you'd have to change some stuff in the script to make that work. So you could do that. But alright, we are going to go to test, and then we're going to go to start with 2 players. I'm going to open this up. This should work. Sometimes my start might be a little glitchy. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's working. Alright. Alright, so if I kill my guy right here, Jamal, I will get 80 cash. I don't know why I have all these tabs open. Let me just get rid of these. But guys, that's gonna end the tutorial here. I hope you subscribe, and bye.